If you are an entrepreneur looking to dive into the world of custom products, choosing the right print-on-demand platform is crucial. Today, we are putting two major players head-to-head, Printify versus Amazon Merch. We will examine their features, pros, cons, and pricing to help you decide which platform might be the best fit for your business needs. And by the way, if you would like to sign up for Printify, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. With that in mind, let's get started. Understanding Printify and Amazon Merch. Printify emerged in 2015 as a transparent print-on-demand and dropshipping platform designed to simplify and automate the creation and sale of custom products. It connects entrepreneurs with over 90 print providers globally, offering a platform that lets anyone start a business with minimal investment. With Printify, users can select from over 300 different items such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, bugs, decor, and more. The platform integrates with popular e-commerce systems like Shopify and WooCommerce, managing printing and shipping with custom branding. Amazon Merch, initiated by Amazon in 1994, takes a slightly different approach. It invites users to sell their designs as Amazon products, reaching millions of customers worldwide without upfront investment. Sellers supply the artwork, choose the product type and colors, and promote their products. Amazon handles the rest, including production, sales, shipping, and customer service, at all no upfront cost to the seller. Delving deeper, features and benefits. Printify stands out with its vast product variety and extensive customization options, which allow entrepreneurs to craft unique designs tailored to their target market. This personal touch helps differentiate their products in a crowded marketplace. The global fulfillment network of Printify ensures fast and cost-effective shipping, making it straightforward to reach customers anywhere in the world. Moreover, Printify's transparent pricing model allows sellers to see production costs upfront, enabling them to set their own profit margins to optimize earnings effectively. This clarity helps sellers plan their pricing strategy better and manage their budgets more efficiently. Overall, Printify offers a comprehensive solution that supports creative freedom and business scalability. On the other hand, Amazon Merch provides unparalleled exposure by leveraging Amazon's massive customer base, which can significantly boost a seller's visibility. This platform is particularly advantageous for sellers looking for a hassle-free way to get their products to a large audience quickly. The integrated selling platform streamlines the entire process from design to delivery, allowing for seamless integration with Amazon's other services. This ensures that operations run smoothly, helping sellers focus more on product design and less on logistics. Amazon Merch is ideal for those who prefer a less hands-on approach to selling and marketing their products. It offers a simplified pathway to reaching millions of potential customers without the need to handle production and shipping logistics. Comparing costs and profitability. Printify offers a range of options when it comes to costs. It provides a free version that gives access to basic features, which is suitable for those just starting out in the business. For more established merchants, there is a premium subscription starting at $24.99 per month, billed annually. This premium plan includes additional features and benefits tailored to merchants with growing sales, helping them to scale their business more efficiently. The tiered pricing structure allows sellers to choose a plan that best fits their business size and sales volume, providing flexibility as their business grows. Amazon Merch, in contrast, operates on a commission-based model where designers earn royalties for each product sold. This arrangement means potential earnings can be significant due to Amazon's fast traffic and high sales volume. However, the actual amount earned per item can vary, which might affect consistent profitability. Additionally, the platform does not allow for direct control over pricing, limiting sellers' ability to influence their profit margins. While Amazon Merch can provide a vast audience, it gives less control to the seller compared to platforms like Printify, which could be a crucial factor for those looking to build a brand and have greater control over their business operations. Pros and cons analysis. Printify offers flexibility in product offerings and design, which is great for sellers who want to stand out. The platform's ability to integrate with various e-commerce platforms through a comprehensive API is also a plus. However, the quality can vary since Printify relies on multiple print providers, and newcomers might find the platform's extensive options a bit overwhelming at first. Amazon Merch makes selling easy by eliminating upfront costs and handling all aspects of the selling process. However, this convenience comes with limitations. Sellers have limited control over their product designs and branding, and approval process for new designs can be lengthy and restrictive. Support and integration. Both Printify and Amazon Merch offer strong support options that help users manage their businesses efficiently. Printify shines with its 24/7 live support, which means you can get assistance any time of the day or night, making it ideal for entrepreneurs in different time zones. This around-the-clock support ensures that any issues can be resolved quickly, helping you maintain a smooth operation. Additionally, being able to reach a real person whenever you need help adds a layer of reliability to Printify's service. Amazon Merch, on the other hand, provides support primarily online, complemented by a range of documentation resources designed to help sellers understand how to start and grow their business on the platform. This documentation includes tutorials and frequently asked questions that cover a wide array of topics, from setting up an account to optimizing product listings, while direct live support might be less accessible than with Printify. The extensive online resources allow sellers to self-serve many common issues and queries. This type of support can be very useful for those who prefer to find answers at their own pace and on their own schedule. In terms of integration capabilities, Printify stands out for its excellent ability to sync seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and more. This high level of integration is crucial for entrepreneurs who already have online stores and are looking to expand their product offerings without any hassle. By integrating easily with these platforms, Printify allows sellers to add and manage products efficiently, automating parts of their workflow to save time and reduce errors. The ability to link directly to existing sales channels simplifies the process of scaling up a business, making Printify a versatile choice for growing brands. Although Amazon Merch also offers integration capabilities, these are somewhat limited to its own ecosystem. While Amazon's e-commerce is vast and provides access to a large audience, it's less flexible compared to Printify's broader integration options. This can be a limitation for sellers who use multiple e-commerce platforms and seek a more unified approach to manage their sales across different channels. However, for those primarily focused on tapping into the Amazon customer base, this integration offers a direct and streamlined pathway to a massive market, albeit with less flexibility than platforms that integrate more broadly like Printify. Final analysis. For entrepreneurs focused on having full control over their designs and who value the ability to customize products extensively, Printify is the likely choice. Its transparent pricing model and extensive product range offer a significant advantage for those looking to establish a unique brand identity. Conversely, it's reaching a vast audience quickly with minimal effort is more your goal. Amazon Merch may be the better option. Its integration with Amazon's vast marketplace and streamlined process makes it easy to start selling without worrying about the intricacies of product production and shipping. In conclusion, both Printify and Amazon Merch offer great tools for selling custom products online. However, if you value having control over your product designs and enjoy being able to set your own prices, Printify could be the better choice. With Printify, you also get access to a wide range of products and can reach customers all over the world. Their clear pricing structure helps you understand your costs upfront, making it easier to manage your business finances. For entrepreneurs eager to grow a unique brand and maximize their creative freedom, Printify stands out as the go-to platform. And don't forget, if you would like to sign up for Printify, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time.